In this video, we'll be showing you how to upgrade PHP from 7.2 to the latest stable version, which is 7.4. We are on CentOS 8 with Apache, and we are running on a DigitalOcean droplet. For this demo, we'll be using the AppStream repository to install PHP from, which is the pre-installed DigitalOcean droplet repository. To check which versions are available to us, we will want to run DNF, module, list, and PHP. And you can see our AppStream repository here has 7.4 available, and that we have 7.2 as our default enabled PHP, which we'll need to upgrade to 7.4. And we could also check our PHP version with PHP-V and 7.2.24. You'll also notice we have the REMI modules, which will allow us to get PHP up to 8 and 8.1. You could also use the EPEL repository, which will have different versions of PHP as well. But for our needs, AppStream is going to be the way to go. So to upgrade, we will need to reset the PHP module, and we'll do that with DNF module reset PHP. And yes, we want to reset. And now if we go back and check the PHP modules, you'll see that PHP is no longer enabled. It is just the default. So what we want to do now is switch that default over to be 7.4. And we can do that with the DNF module enable PHP. Sorry, we're going to enable the 7.4 with 7.4. Yes. And then we could check what that did. There you go. You can see that 7.4 is now what will get installed if we do a DNF install PHP, which we'll do now. And it's asking us if we want to install the above packages, and we do. Installation on these DigitalOcean droplets is pretty quick, as you can see here. Well, let's go and check our version now. We could just do a PHP -v to get our version. Yeah, and now you can see we are on PHP 7.4.6. That's the latest stable version that we want to use. With 7.4, you may also, and depending on your setup, you may also want to install the PHP CLI and PHP Common if you don't already have it installed. And you can do that all in one command if you feel like it. There you go. That's all you should need to upgrade your PHP version from 7.2 to 7.4 on CentOS 8 with Apache and using the AppStream repository. Thanks.